Now that you know what CrashPlan is and how to restore your files with it, let's talk about a few advanced topics. Wi-Fi and bandwidth. CrashPlan scans your computer every 15 minutes while your computer is turned on and connected to a network. If you are someone who uses your mobile device as a hotspot, CrashPlan will be using that connection to back up your files. If you prefer not to use your mobile device, or even your home network, or the network at your favorite cafe, or the network at your conference, etc., you can pause the backups and wait until you are back on campus to resume backing up. To do this, locate CrashPlan in your Start menu to open it, or simply click the big C icon in your system tray or your menu bar if you're using a Mac. Click the gear icon in the bottom right corner. Then, when you hover over Pause All Backups, you can choose to pause for 1 hour, for 4 hours, or pause the backups for 1 entire day. Keep in mind, any files saved or updated during this pause will not be backed up. Network exclusions. For your convenience, you can set up network exclusions. In other words, you can tell CrashPlan not to back up when you're on certain networks, like a home network, the Starbucks network, when connected to a mobile device as a hotspot, etc. To set up network exclusions, again, open CrashPlan in your Start menu, or click the C icon in your system tray or menu bar, then click the gear icon. Click Options, and when prompted, enter your Wake Forest email address and password. And again, if you are enrolled in Google two-step verification, you'll be required to enter a code or your preferred verification method. When the Device Preferences dialog box appears, click Network, then click the Change button next to Wireless Network Exclusions. To change this and exclude networks, click the plus sign, and you'll now see a list of all the networks your computer has connected to. Locate a network you wish to exclude, click it, then click the Save button. Then click Save again to finalize the exclusion. Now CrashPlan will not run when connected to that network. Finally, here are a few helpful bits of information to be aware of as you begin using CrashPlan. There are certain file types that are excluded from being backed up. To see the file types, open a web browser and go to crashplan.wfu.edu. Log in with your Wake Forest email address and password. Click Devices, and click Your Computer. You'll notice information now appears on the right column. Click the Backup tab and scroll down just a bit. You will now see a full list of file types that will not be backed up, including exe files, DMG files, and a short list of others. Remember that everything in your user profile is backed up to CrashPlan. If you don't want certain things backed up, you may wish to move them outside of the user's profile. Otherwise, everything, personal and professional, located under your username in the user's profile will be backed up to CrashPlan servers here at Wake Forest. Items in the trash are not backed up. CrashPlan sends a weekly report email letting you know the status of your backups. If you have any questions about CrashPlan, please visit is.wfu.edu/services/CrashPlan or contact the Information Systems Service Desk at 336-758-4357 or via email at help@wfu.edu.